Let's talk about Cipher Mining. It was clearly a pyramid scheme. Why and how? Because you would only be rewarded each time you would actually bring in newbies. And then secondly, it never had a clear structure of how one would actually be earning, right? Now listen to this. If you want to earn crypto the right way, forget the hype. Look at Binance. It's regulated, secure, and it had products like Simple Earn that pay out even without you bringing in referrals. Here's my offer. If you want to learn how to earn on Binance, how to trade on Binance, click the link in the description section. I'm gonna leave it in the comment section as well. And after you do that, join my Telegram group where I'll actually be offering tutorials on how to trade and how to earn crypto on Binance. I'll also leave the link to my YouTube channel, which I've just dedicated to teaching people about crypto and crypto trading. I'll see you in there.